So who needs an eye cream, or how do you know that you need an eye cream? If the skin around your eyes is feeling dry, if it is feeling rough, if it feels like your skin barrier has been weakened around your eye area, if you feel irritation anytime you use a certain product, if you feel sensitivity around your eye area, if you have puffy eyes, if you have fine lines, if you have wrinkles, if you have eye bags, if you have dark eye circles, or you have tired eyes, then you sure need to get an eye cream for your eye area. So the eye creams we are going to be talking about today, what are they going to do for you? They are going to help to brighten your eye area. They are going to help to smoothen your eye area. They are going to give you long-lasting hydration around your eye area. For those of you that feel dryness and sensitivity around your eye area, it is going to stay hydrated and moisturized all day. It is going to help you to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, reduce the appearance of fine lines. It is going to help to untire your tired eyes, depuff your puffy eyes, and unbag your eye bags. So I'm going to be telling you about 5 top best eye creams that you can be using in 2025. So that's 5. 4 is for ladies and women, and 1 is for men. Okay, so for newbies, people who have not used eye cream or are not familiar with using eye cream, we are going to be having a demonstration at the end of the video about how to apply your eye cream properly, to make sure you are using it the right way, everything you need to know about using an eye cream and incorporating it into your present face routine. So let's get into telling you the product for the day. So today I am not going to be acting like one CNN presenter reading from a prompter. I have my book here, and please pardon me to read from my book. Let's be plain and simple today. Okay, so the first on my list is Rock Retinol Correction Line Smoothening Eye Cream. Now this particular one contains retinol, and we all know that retinol is very good when it comes to reducing the appearance of wrinkles and fine lines and clearing dark eye circles, because retinol, which is vitamin A, also helps to brighten your skin. So this particular one helps with depuffing eye bags, reduces dark eye circles, reduces eye wrinkles by 50%. Like this one is very good. This is like, it has a lot of good reviews. So if you're in your 40s, 50s, I would advise you give this particular Rock Retinol Correction Eye Cream a try, because it works. Okay, now the second one on my list is one of my favorites. Okay, and this one can be used by everybody, although it does not contain retinol. And please, the one that contains retinol, do not use it in the morning, just use it at night. Okay, anything retinol, use it strictly at night. So this second one is from Good Molecules. Like, I like every product from Good Molecules, and that's because they try to infuse herbs into their product. So it's a bit of, here and there, but still with some natural ingredients. So, and that is the Good Molecules Yerba Mate Wake Up Eye Gel Cream. Now this one contains the yerba mate extract, which is a herb. It contains hyaluronic acid, and it contains caffeine. Like, caffeine is very good when it comes to eye creams. Caffeine is like the top ingredient for depuffing eye puffs. Okay, and also for clearing dark eye circles. So if you're experiencing any of those dark eye circles, you have tired eyes, like when you wake up in the morning, your eye takes time before it wakes up, this particular Good Molecules Gel Eye Cream is going to do it for you. And because it has this gel-like texture, it absorbs quickly into your skin, but it is still super hydrating and super moisturizing. Okay, so the third one on my list is the CeraVe Skin Renewing Vitamin C Eye Cream. Now this one contains 5% pure vitamin C. CeraVe is a good product, just like we know. So if your eye area is super sensitive, I would recommend CeraVe. The reason is because it's a pharmaceutical product. Okay, so it is a product you are going to go to your doctor, and he or she is going to prescribe it for you, and it is tested for sensitivity, for irritation, and all of those things. So if you know your problem, your eye is very sensitive, like any cream you put on your eye, or even serums you put on your eye area, it irritates you, it burns you, go for this CeraVe, and it contains 5% pure vitamin C, as already stated, and it contains caffeine. It contains 3 essential ceramides, and it contains hyaluronic acid. Now, what all these are going to do for you, it is going to help to reduce the look of dark circles on your eye. It is going to help with puffiness around your eye. It is going to hydrate your skin and help to restore your skin barrier because it contains ceramides. So if you feel that you have used products over the years that has weakened your skin barrier around your eyes, your eye area, this place is looking thin and is like you feel like you have damaged this part of your eyes, then certainly go for this one. The fourth on my list is the Cetaphil Hydrating Eye Gel Cream. Now, this one is formulated to moisturize and nourish the skin with hyaluronic acid and licorice extract. I am super impressed with Cetaphil on this one because of the licorice extract. Now, this one, because of the licorice, I will strongly say that if your first issue is dark circles on your eye area, you should certainly go for this one because licorice extract helps to brighten. It is a very strong brightening natural ingredient, and it is a natural ingredient, by the way, so it is going to help to brighten your dark under eye. It is going to help to moisturize, which is why you have the hyaluronic acid that helps to retain water on your skin. So if that place is dry and it's dark, get this one. Okay, so it also contains vitamin complex, which contains vitamin E and vitamin B3, which is niacinamide. So it also contains niacinamide. So, but forget all the sayings. Any of these eye creams you get, you are not going to regret it. All these ones you can use them morning and night, except the one that contains retinol. Now, the last one on my list is for men. I have something for men today, and that is the Brickell Restoring Eye Cream. Now, this particular eye cream contains caffeine, it contains protein peptides, and it contains MSM, and it contains aloe vera. Like, this eye cream is super, super great for men. Every guy that has used it testified to this particular eye cream. It helps to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, dark circles, eye bags, fine lines, and all of those good stuff. But this Brickell is a skincare brand for men. It is specially crafted for men's skin and men's need. Not like these other ones, men can use it, but this is a specific skincare brand for men. So if you're a lady and you want to try it and let us know how it is on you. So if you have used any of these eye creams, let us know in the comment section. Let's know how it worked for you and every other thing. Now, how do you use your eye cream? First of all, your eye cream is the first thing that goes on your face after washing your face. So after washing your face in the bathroom with your soap, you come out, your eye cream is the first thing. Now we are going to do a little demonstration on how to use your eye cream. You use your eye cream in very, very little quantity. Remember, this is your eye. In as much as this product has been built to be non-irritating, non-sensitive, and all of those things, you still need to use them in little quantity. So to use your eye cream, you just put your eye cream in 3 dots. Okay, that's the measurement, exactly the way you use your sunscreen with the 2 finger 3 finger rule. That is how it is for an eye cream. You use the 3 dot rule and you use your ring finger. So you're going to use your ring finger to rub it in this way, very gently. Remember, if you're doing anything on your eye area, it has to be very gentle. So just rub it all around your eye. Remember, this corner of your eye, it is also part of your eye. Okay, so just rub it in. Okay, don't do too much, don't press, just leave it, because these products have been formulated to naturally absorb into your skin. So you don't need to go and be rubbing it in, like putting pressure. No, once after applying it, give it time. Give it time to apply, give it time to, absorb into your skin. Maybe do your hair or do your lips or something like that. Skip applying your lotions first. okay, unless you can gently apply your face cream without reaching here. Give it some time and it is going to penetrate and absorb into your skin. No pressing, no long rubbing, just rub out the 3 dots you have on your eye. Then you can go ahead with your other skincare routine. That is the end of today's video. If you have any more questions for me, let me know in the comment section, and please remember to hit the like button. I'm going to see you on our next one.